My name is Nicholas Judd. I'm a second-year master's student at Harvard Divinity School, and tonight I'll be reciting for you Musa Ka's 1929 poem Kharnubi, which means the century, addressed to his spiritual guide Sheikh Amadou Bamba in response to a drought and famine in Senegal at the time. Serin minyon gidetinan, fakir dafaynan lo dagan, nagnulit lununyan, dafyalan yat al-Kharnubi, nyon gidagan ci Mustafa, minak marwatak safa, ak-akki amdi Mustafa, Miyal Jebel Kharnubi, ak-aki mbole may rakam, ak-aki sen bay hinuam, ak-aki sehi bamba am, dafyalan tal Kharnubi, mbole murid ye bangitu, Tere chubaka hinuju, balunyu bay hinugu, sering bige sul Kharnubi, bakay dangay borong imbos, te sagin jabot tawakilot, nyu def maaban tarpalet, malaputo Au mamakam ang dilawo, huwag murin nyo ni tawatal te bunyo, saulaming yay wo Kharnubi. Te jimawak bani taret, ngirya madefan tarparet, yafabi khamkham neyoret, ci samahol, ci Kharnubi, te bulmatang kamplucinyan, ngir lima bon te kuanyan, muridiye palakonyan, ngir begede kal Kharnubi, joy parental and joy, bonu fabule nuniwoy, Kunuyafa bandafikoi, miyal Jebel Kharnubi, jisnuyay tenyungiram, kunyakayay dayin namamam, bura tebotnu ngaladam, rogan nimbolen Kharnubi. Thank you very much.